What if I told you you can build an online business from scratch in less than 30 minutes and you would have a business that promotes 15 products for you? Now, what if I told you there's an unfair software that clones the exact seven-figure business that thousands of people have used to leave their 9-to-5 jobs? Hi, I'm Zach Zabel, and I want to congratulate you on taking a massive step to quitting your 9-to-5 job and achieving financial freedom. I was making great money in real estate, selling new home construction and investment properties, but I was a slave to the weekends. I was on my phone, driving all over the place at all hours of the day. I had bosses telling me what to do, picky clients driving me crazy, and I was subjected to a life that was slowly killing me inside. If you think having a high-paying job equals freedom, you're living the same lie I was. I had the money, but I had zero freedom. Now, the last 2 years have been brutal. Divorce and starting over with nothing, facing foreclosure, walking away from my high-paying career, and losing my mom. I had no idea where to turn. I woke up one day and I was a single dad of two. All of a sudden, I had hit rock bottom unexpectedly. But when you hit rock bottom, you realize the old way is no longer an option. I needed to bounce back and I needed to do it fast, not just to survive, but to finally have the freedom to be the father that my kids deserve, to be present, to volunteer, and to give back to my church and to live life on my own terms. I decided to stop trading my time for money and ride this massive AI wave. I needed a way to make money from home, working just a couple of hours a day, and that's when I stumbled across the 72-hour challenge by Jonathan Montoya. It's the blueprint for the life I'm building right now, a life where I control my time and my own income. Now, this isn't just another course. This is a proven system that has already helped over 60,000 people, many of whom have already quit their 9-to-5 jobs. And the reason it works so fast is because of the unfair software we give you. Listen, this software lets you launch 15 high-converting affiliate products in just seconds. It's the ultimate shortcut. It's the same infrastructure I was trying to build for months, handed to me on a silver platter. It's the key to making this work quickly. You don't need products, you don't need experience, you don't even need tech skills or a team, and you don't have to worry about dealing with customers or support. Once this is all set up, you can have this system do 90% of the work for you. The 10% of the work that you need to do is just to drive traffic to this system once you have it set up for yourself. Now, I'm all in, and I'm going to teach others how to do the exact same thing I'm doing. If you are tired of living the 9-to-5 lie and you need a financial reset, if you want the freedom to live life on your own terms, then you need to take this challenge too. I love making money from home, and I'm genuinely happy you're here because I love helping others just like me make money too. We can all win at this. Click the link below to get started on leaving your 9-to-5, and also check your email for the free course that should be arriving right now. I'll see you on the inside.